Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. Follow this step-by-step guide to easily add someone without saying added by search. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app, and now tap on this add friend icon at the top right, and in this search box search for the user whom you want to add. So here's I'm searching for a random account. Now I'm going to add this account. So after searching for a name, if you directly add the friend from this list, then the account will be able to see that you added them by search. So all you have to need, just tap on the profile photo to go to the account profile. Once you are in the account profile page, here just tap on add. Once you added the account from their profile page, the account won't be able to see that you added the account by search. So that's it. This is how we can add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.